My name is Joern Steinert, and I'm having a role as a demonstrator here in Plymouth, where we teach practical and theoretical aspects of electrophysiology, neurophysiology. And I'm working in Leicester, University Leicester, especially on research related to neurodegeneration. And we're using various models to investigate pathways which are related eventually to human disease. MBA is an absolutely amazing institution as such and has a very high, long tradition in educating and teaching students in electrophysiology. The history of the institute is well established and well known worldwide. And students being invited or have to apply for this course, and they are learning hardcore electrophysiology, neurophysiology, imaging techniques, a broad spectrum of different technical methods to investigate neuronal activity. I've been now for 4 years, coming annually every year. We're looking forward to come back and looking forward to meet students and teach students and see how they actually progress and learn and realize what the whole thing is about. There's a big variety, especially coming from different labs with different backgrounds, from within the UK, but also worldwide. There's students coming from America, all over Europe, different European countries, and also they're coming from different levels. So you have to adjust your kind of teaching approach where you have the absolute freshers, which don't really understand a great deal about the background, so you have to explain much more in detail and much simpler, whereas you have the advanced guys who know the basics, and then you can just progress and go up to higher levels. We are kind of specialized into various niches, if you wish. So there are certain imaging people who are looking into, let's say, calcium imaging, other people looking into single cell electrophysiology, some using perforated patch clamp techniques, which have all the advantages and disadvantages. And I'm particularly teaching imaging techniques and optogenetics. We're using mouse CNS neurons, central nervous system neurons, as well as Drosophila as a model system. So that's my focus on the optogenetics using these different model systems. The course has an extremely great reputation worldwide. So every student is extremely happy once accepted for that course. Just to have been here, have that not only on your CV, having been in that course, but also having learned a lot of electrophysiology and physiology, because it gives you really a great opportunity to spend full 2 weeks in this topic of research without any distractions and focus. And the teachers are highly specialized, so they give you information from any possible angle, from theory to practical, and I think that's just a great opportunity for every student. David completely relies on the availabilities of equipment from different companies. I mean, Scientifica, any of these guys, they are so helpful. Without this equipment, we couldn't do anything. So we heavily rely on these demonstrations given by the companies. So you provide support in setting it up, also in taking it down again. Having a functional, fully set up, two setups is extremely helpful. There's also a very great benefit for the companies setting up these different devices, pieces of equipment, where students get experience in using them, probably building up their preferences now. It's quite important to present as best as possible here and show the quality of the equipment.